Welcome in this course. Today we are going to talk about what is Power Automate. Power Automate is a flow automation software or application you can say, which is developed by Microsoft. So you can automate your each and every task, your activities, your steps using Power Automate. So let me explain you in a simple way. Let me share my screen. Using Power Automate, you can automate your tasks, activities, actions, and steps. Tasks from internal system. For example, you want to send quotation, you want to send follow-ups, you want to send notifications, or you want certain step to be done when someone is requesting a file. So all these kind of internal tasks can be done using Power Automate. Tasks from external system. Sometimes you might be using ERP system, CRM system, and accounting system, and those are not connected. It means that all three applications are external software, external system in your business. And you can connect all those softwares using API. You can also using a third party payment gateway because most of the time payment gateway is not part of your system. In that case, you use payment gateway as your external software. You can also automate steps using Power Automate for your external system. And you can connect all those softwares in your intranet, in your system. And the third thing is sequential tasks. For example, your employee has created document and that document needs to be approved by your manager. So that is what you can also automate using Power Automate. The document will be sent to your manager. Your manager will get notification. Your manager will approve that document and your employee will get notification that that document is approved. So that kind of process you can also automate where sequence is required. Like after this step, the second step needs to be done. The third step needs to be done. So that is what you can also automate using Power Automate. And dependent tasks. Like if design team will do work, then only your development team can start the development. So here, once design team will complete their work, your development team will get notification to start on their task. So these kind of dependent work you can also automate using Power Automate. You can send automated notification and tasks from your desktop application from websites. That is what you can record using Power Automate. So you can execute all those steps with the minimum interaction of human. So you can see each and everything in your system you can automate using Power Automate.